One of the neighborhoods hardest hit by flooding in Clarksville will soon get some financial help. Eric Pointer joins us now live, breaking down what that relief will look like. So, Eric, how will this work?
So the Montgomery County Commissioners approved $500,000 to go towards people in the Farmington subdivision where they got some of the worst floodwaters. The money is only for the most damaged homes in that area to help mitigate floodwater that is either still standing or left the home inhabitable. The county's emergency management agency is working with homeowners over the next 90 days to compile that list. The emergency funds will be given out by the organization YAPAC, who will then distribute that money. Encounter leaders say that emergency funding is just the start to help these residents in the area, and you can find a full list of those impacted addresses on our website, newschannel5.com. I'll send it back to you in the studio.